Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to trim your curly hair or a DIY diva cut. So if you want to figure out how to do that, just keep on watching. Okay, so here's the before of my hair. As you can tell, my ends are really frizzy. I do have a couple single strand knots, so we're going to take care of that. And you're going to want to work on defined hair. It doesn't have to be really defined, but you're going to want to have some definition to work on. Okay, what you're going to need are a pair of shears. I got these from Sally's. I believe they were only $11, but I do know Target and Walmart sell hair shears too. Do not use regular scissors. That will just make your hair worse. You're going to want to use hair scissors. And you can use some duck clips or crocodile clips if you want to get your hair out of the way while you're cutting. If you don't have clips, you can just use a ponytail, that's fine as well. And I'm going to be using my favorite leave-in conditioner just to make my hair a little bit more manageable after I'm done cutting it so I can twist it up. Okay, so first I'm just going to put my hair up and get a small section. And put this in a ponytail. Okay. Ignore my hairline, I know I need a haircut. So now you're just gonna wanna go through each curl and find where it gets thin at. So like right at the end right here is where we're gonna trim because it's frizzy and it's just very thin. Okay, so right here, the end of the curl is getting thinner, so this is what we're going to take off. Now, just to keep my hair out of the way and so I can keep working in small sections, I'm just going to take some leave-in conditioner, put it in my hair, and then twist my hair up. Now I'm just getting a small section again, and I'm going to do the same thing. And if you guys were wondering how long my hair is, it's about past my chin, almost to my shoulders. It's like right in between. completely done. That only took me about 20 minutes, 25. It didn't take that long. My hair looks so much better already. My ends were so bad. I'm just gonna take these twists out. Doing a twist out soon just because everybody keeps asking me. I've never done one, but I'm gonna try one and see how it works. I still have pretty good length. I didn't lose that much. I'm gonna trim this a little bit. But I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hair, and I'll probably include how that turns out after too. This is about how much hair I lost. Just ignore the leave-in that's stuck in that. Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like after I cut it. The ends are not straggly and frizzy anymore. It looks so much better. And I wanted to thank you guys for getting me to 100 subscribers. I'm at like 90 something right now, so hopefully by the time I post this video, I have 100. And I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos and liking and commenting. It really means a lot to me. And I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, I just wanted to add, if you're wondering what products I used in my hair, I actually used the product combination from my last video if you want to go and check that out. Also, I wanted to add, if you're wondering how I did my hair, I actually used the product combination from my last